This demo shows the use of Footwear controller from JP Technology Initiatives for natural and high-performance character movement control for applications including video games. A pair of Footwear controllers is used for the demo, which are already paired and connected to the computer using Bluetooth. The scene has one character and is developed in Unity. The pair of Footwear controllers allow the detection of a user's turn, walk, run, jump movements, and use them for natural character movement control. When the user turns in real world, the character in the game turns accordingly. When the user walks, the character walks. When the user jumps, the character jumps. When the user runs, the character runs. All the control effects are achieved using our unified foot gesture detection framework with the support of the Footwear controller devices. The foot gesture-based control, as demonstrated, is able to achieve natural character movement control, and free users' hands for other interactions in application and games virtual environments. Thanks for watching. Visit our website jptinc.com for more information.